Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we have a very interesting and insightful topic to discuss. Girls will fall for you if. You've probably heard various tips and tricks about attracting women, but today, we're going to dive deep into the psychology and behaviors that can make you more appealing to the opposite sex. It's all about building meaningful connections and becoming a better version of yourself. So, if you've ever wondered what it takes to capture a girl's heart, you've come to the right place. Stick around, because we're going to share some valuable insights that can help you understand what makes a person truly attractive. Point 1. Be confident. Our first point is a classic, but it's essential. Be confident. Confidence is like a magnet that draws people in, and women are no exception. Confidence doesn't mean you have to be arrogant or cocky. It's about believing in yourself, your abilities, and being comfortable in your own skin. When you exude confidence, you become someone who's more enjoyable to be around. Point 2. Be a good listener. The second point is all about communication. Being a good listener is incredibly attractive. When you listen actively, it shows that you value and respect the other person's thoughts and feelings. Try to maintain eye contact, ask follow-up questions, and show genuine interest in what she's saying. This will help you build a stronger connection and make her feel understood. Point 3. Show kindness and empathy. Kindness and empathy are qualities that will make you stand out from the crowd. Being a compassionate person and showing empathy towards others is not only a great character trait but also extremely attractive. Simple acts of kindness, like helping someone in need or showing support when she's going through a tough time, can leave a lasting impression. Remember, being a good person is never out of style. Point 4. Pursue your passions. Women are often drawn to people who are passionate about their interests and hobbies. Pursuing your passions not only makes you a more interesting person, but also shows that you have a life outside of dating. When you're passionate about something, it's contagious. Sharing your enthusiasm and interests can be a great way to connect with someone on a deeper level. So, there you have it, folks, our ultimate guide on girls will fall for you if. To sum it up, confidence, being a good listener, showing kindness and empathy, and pursuing your passions are all qualities that can make you more attractive to women. But remember, the key to successful relationships is being genuine and true to yourself. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more fantastic content like this. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found these insights valuable. If you have any thoughts, questions, or personal experiences you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay confident, be a good listener, and follow your passions. You've got this.